The laundry is the last room anyone wants to spend money on. But you also don't want it letting down the rest of your home makeover. So in this laundry, the owners are going to update some hardware and we're going to change the look of some tiling without having to rip anything out. We are going over the top. Now, we're a bit spoilt on this job. We've got pro tiler Gabriel Canavo helping us out. His dance card's always full, but he's made some room to help us out with some pro tips. First tip is around product. If you've got tiling jobs around the house you want to tackle yourself, Gabriel says Easy Grout is the perfect solution, including for the job he's about to do, the tile over tile scenario. First, we clean the old tiles with Davco Tile and Grout Cleaner. So Gabe, talk to me. What are you doing here and why?
What we're doing today is preparing and cleaning the surface, getting rid of any grease and dust and grime.
And what's going to happen if we don't clean it properly?
If we don't clean it properly, we're just going to have product failure where the tiles won't stick.
And then next, we're going to prime the surface with 2 coats, 25 minutes apart, and we wait for that to dry.
That's right. And then after that, we can start our tiling process.
Here we come. The surface is primed with a 2-part primer. It'll need 2 coats, 45 minutes apart. Next, mix the tile adhesive. How's that Davco glue to work with?
I'm really loving the non-slap properties. As you can see, look how it's holding nicely there. It's not sagging down.
What consistency would you call that? Peanut butter?
Yeah, in between a peanut butter and a toothpaste. As you can see, we're just getting nice, even coverage over the wall. So we make sure we have perfect adhesion.
The adhesive needs a day to cure. Then we grout the tiles with Easy Grout, which is pre-mixed and ready to use, straight out of the tub. To refresh the look and bring it up to date, the owners have chosen a bright white grout to go with the white matte tiles. Let's see it, Gabriel, looking good, pal. Gabriel has finished the edge by just laying past the old tiles and finished it with grout. If you're tiling over floor tiles, you can finish the edge with an aluminium strip or angle. The new cabinets haven't arrived yet, but the new accessories really spruce things up. That splashback's been updated and it looks really fresh and clean. All in all, a small job with big impact. This is another Sika project that you can do over the weekend using products trusted by tilers. Repair, refresh, protect, finish. In the home, around the home, or away from home, there's a Sika solution built to last.